Good morning and welcome back. Now that spring is here, lots of changes are going to be happening outside. So let's see if we can learn some things that will help us understand those changes. I've got a couple questions for you. I have a rock and I have a cactus plant. Does this look familiar? Are you more like this rock or the cactus plant? Think about it. I'm thinking that you're probably saying that you're more like the cactus plant because it's a living thing and you are a living thing and the rock is not living. It's not alive. Okay. I have another question for you. Are you more like this cactus plant or Shelly the turtle? What do you think? I'm thinking that you're probably saying, I'm more like Shelly the turtle. Because Shelly is an animal and I'm an animal, and even though both of these are living things, the cactus is a plant, the turtle is an animal, and we are animals. Okay, well, what do animals, humans, need to survive? What do we need to survive? Yep, we need to breathe, don't we? We need air, oxygen. So does Shelly. So does Cooper back there, the dog. What else do we need? Yep, we need to drink. We need water. So does Shelly the turtle. And we need to eat. Give us energy, help us grow. Anything else? Well, let's look at this chart. See what this says. All living things need to breathe. All right, you got that one. Eat and drink. Okay, you got that one. Have babies. Well, sure. If we want the human species to continue on through time, we need to have babies. And respond to the world. What does that mean? Well, if all of a sudden the house catches on fire, we need to be able to run outside. Or if we're outside playing and all of a sudden it starts raining and thundering and lightning, we need to be able to run back inside, right? We need to respond to the world. Okay, wait a minute. I don't know, did you notice? This said all living things need to breathe, eat and drink, have babies, and respond to the world. Does this cactus breathe? Does it eat? Does it drink? I guess we know we have to water it, so we know it drinks, but does it eat? And then does it have babies? And how does it respond to the world? And why do we care? Well, why do we care? Let's think about this. What'd you have for breakfast this morning? Think about it. What'd you have for breakfast? Maybe you had cereal. Here's an example. Where does cereal come from? If it's Cheerios, comes from the oat plant. Cooper, another animal. Rice Krispies comes from rice. Flakes come from wheat, barley. Cereals are made of plants. All right. Maybe you put milk on your cereal. Where does milk come from? Well, milk comes from a cow. What does a cow eat? Well, a cow eats corn and hay and grass and alfalfa, which are all plants. Okay. Maybe you had eggs. Where do eggs come from? Well, eggs come from chickens. What do chickens eat? Well, they eat corn and grain and grass and seeds from plants. Sometimes insects, but what do insects eat? They eat the leaves of a plant. Or maybe you had avocado toast. Avocado comes from a plant, and the toast comes from wheat and rye and barley and oats. Bread comes from plants. Virtually, or maybe you even had bacon. I don't have any bacon here today, but bacon comes from a pig. What does a pig eat? Corn, grains, all kinds of plants. So virtually everything that we eat can be traced back to some kind of plant. Maybe that's why it's important that we learn how plants work. All right, stay tuned.